Welcome to the Cars Pal channel. We bring you innovative car accessories and gadgets to help you enhance your driving experience. Stay tuned with us to make your every journey easier. Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and install your Tire Minder iSant Lean Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The first step is going to be installing your signal booster. The signal booster was built not only to increase the signal strength but also to decrease interference, so it's critical that this is installed. For motorhomes and coaches, the booster should be placed on the undercarriage and as close to the rear axle as possible for trailers and fifth wheels. Place it near the front of the trailer on the exterior near the kingpin. Or the undercarriage. Once you have a good location, connect the red and black wires to a 12-volt or 24-volt power source. For most vehicles, the best way to do this is to actually connect it directly to the battery. You'll see a green light come on once it's properly connected to a power source. The next step will be installing batteries in your transmitters. You must install the batteries in the transmitters prior to placing the transmitters on the tires. A full set of batteries comes with your iBot Lean kit. To install the batteries, you simply unscrew the transmitter cap. Place a battery inside and place the cap back on. Once the batteries are installed, you'll then turn the monitor on by simply pressing the center button. The unit will automatically be in monitoring mode. Note: the unit must be in monitoring mode in order to receive alerts. The next step will be adding the transmitters to the tires one at a time and learning them in the monitor. Press and hold the left and right buttons on the monitor for 5 seconds until you hear a beep and see an L in the center of the display. Use the left and right buttons to select the desired tire position that correlates to the physical location you want to monitor. Once you are at the position on the monitor, you'll first attach the lock nut on the valve stem. Then you'll attach the transmitter to the tire stone. The monitor will receive a signal within 15 seconds. You'll hear a beep and see the current PSI. Next, use the lock nut tool to tighten the lock nut in position. Then you'll move to the next desired tire position on the monitor and attach another transmitter to the corresponding tire. Repeat these steps until all transmitters are attached and learned on the monitor. You'll then exit learning mode by holding the left and right buttons for 5 seconds. This will return you to monitoring mode. The next step will be setting your baseline tire pressures in the monitor. For monitoring mode, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a single beep and see SI flashing in the top left corner. You can toggle between SI and barometric pressure by using the left and right buttons. Then press and release the center button. You can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius by pressing the left or right buttons. Once you've selected your desired unit of measure, press and release the center button. The first tire position will appear. Press the left or right button to change the SI to the desired amount. The SI should be set to the cold SI recommended by the tire manufacturer. This can be found on the sidewall of your tire. Press the center button to confirm the SI and move to the next tire position. Once you've updated all positions, press and hold the center button for 5 seconds to return to monitoring mode. And that's it. You've just installed and set up your Tire Minder iSant Lean Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The new wireless CarPlay experience, still using a cable to connect your phone. Now, say goodbye to cables completely. Kello Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Plug into the car USB. 10 seconds to connect. 3 seconds to reconnect and enjoy instant access to maps, music, Siri, and calls. Plug and play. Truly ready to go. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.3. Strong and stable signal. Ensures strong and stable signal even when traveling through tunnels, rough mountain roads, or low signal areas. Support iPhone and Android, compatible with 800 plus models on the market. Equipped with USB-A and Type-C dual interface. Not picking models and systems. It can also be upgraded wirelessly by OTA at any time, and the functions are continuously optimized. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. Whether you are cruising the open road or navigating country roads, your vehicle is your trusted Steve, letting you handle issues head-on. Keep the Ansel AD 310 OBD2 scanner in your glove box ready for action. This rugged plug-and-play diagnostics tool delivers quick engine insights, sand clears dashboard codes. The Ansel AD 310 is made for every road warrior who rides with confidence. The Philips GoPro GP5611 Automotive Air Purifier features a powerful UVC light to eliminate viruses, a Santa Filter Plus to capture bacteria and viruses, and a HES Max filter to neutralize gases and odors 24/7. GoPro GP5611 brings advanced air purification and filtration right to your cup holder. Still using an old host? It's time to upgrade. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto 7-inch console automatically connects to your phone as soon as you get in the car. Navigation, music, calls, Siri, all synchronized in seconds. Freedom from cables makes driving more free and safer. Audiophile sound experience support. 4.2-channel RCA audio output. Independent dual subwoofer interface, up to 240 W high power output. Whether rock or pure sound, the car becomes a private concert hall. Bluetooth fast connection, clearer voice independent Bluetooth module, plus external antenna design. Stable connection without lag, call, listen to songs, voice commands, the whole smooth without dropping. Built-in high-definition microphone, driving and talking at the same time. You can also hear and speak clearly. HD QLED screen plus mirror, link 7-inch QLED HD screen. Support full HD 1080p video, iOS Fat Android cell phone. Mirroring one key to cast screen. YouTube, Google Maps, Spotify can be operated on the big screen. There is also a physical knob volume control. More peace of mind driving adjustment. Car recorder plus reversing camera built. In car recorder, HD 170 degrees wide. Angle camera, automatic loop recording, with night vision, reversing camera, reversing into the garage more easily. Multi-model compatibility, 3 sizes available. Support the installation of mainstream models, 3 standard hole sizes available, with USB A and C interface, wider adaptation. It is recommended to find a professional store to install. The effect is more stable and beautiful. Critical moment, one blow to break the window. Cut the seat belt in 1 second. Concealed blade design. One-handed operation, easy to get out of trouble in critical moments. Soldieride window breaker is made of tungsten steel drill bit, which is 50% harder than ordinary carbon steel. Withstands high temperatures and is suitable for fire scenarios. The spring passes 10,000 times test and can break windows underwater quickly. Dual mode emergency light built in USB-C rechargeable light. Strobe lasts for 6 hours, full light mode for 4 hours, self-help guide in the dark. Lightweight and portable, safe and reliable, ergonomic, keychain size, can be hung or put. Every car should have a Soldieride to fight for survival every second. Intruder in the car? Sound the alarm immediately. Keep intelligent anti-theft system. Once the intrusion is detected, 120 dB alarm, plus red light flashing plus video, uploaded to the cloud, plus real-time push to cell phone. 1080p panoramic surveillance built in fisheye lens, radar, PAR infrared sensor, 360 degrees, no dead angle, filmed the whole process, evidence to hand. Sensorless unlocking, automatic arming, the key fob automatically recognizes the identity. No need to press the button to enter or leave, and disarm once you get on the car. Smart and convenient. 3x speed inflation. Anytime, anywhere, built in 12,000 mAh battery. No wiring, fill 10 tires without pressure. Intelligent digital display. Automatic stop. Real-time air pressure preset mode. Stop as much as you want, never burst. Multi-scene universal support, bicycle, car, ball, etc. One machine with 5 modes, up to 150 psi. The first built-in Wi-Fi radar detector, Max 360C, built for smart connected cars, automatically updates to warn of speed cameras and ticket threats in real time. 360 degrees omnidirectional protection, dual front and rear antennas, precise directional arrows. It's clear at a glance where the alerts are coming from, guarding your driving safety in all directions. AutoLearn technology combines GPS with IVT filtering to eliminate false alarms by understanding your route and changing the sensitivity of your vehicle's speed. Connects to Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto alerts are displayed directly on the large center screen for safer driving without having to look down. Full set of accessories at once. Comes with magnetic mount, USB smart cord power supply and travel case. Easy to install and ready to go. Too much trouble to change a tire? This upgraded electric hydraulic jack makes it easy for one person. 5-in-1 design, one set to solve all the problems. Electric jack, air pump, LED lighting, warning light, LCD display. One machine is multi, Purpose to deal with various situations. Comes with impact wrench plus multi-size sockets, automatic screw loosening, torque up to 450 nanometers. Screwing screws, no more effort. Inflate tires with one button, hidden nozzle for easy access. No need to worry about tire air loss. One key to fix, no need for extra air pump. Waterproof, drop-proof, and nighttime illumination. 12V vehicle power supply with LED work light. Rainy days and nights can be easily dealt with.